I'm Mark Burdett, serving as the president of Chesapeake Sports Entertainment Group, part of the Kelly Companies. So I started in the broadcasting and media business and migrated into professional sports. I actually spent 12 years here with the Baltimore Ravens, which was a wonderful experience. I started with a Super Bowl ring and ended with a Super Bowl ring. So, it looked like I really knew what I was doing. I got recruited back into the media business, and I ran WUSA Channel 9 in Washington, D.C. as a president and general manager, and had a 24/7 headache and 265 employees. And one day I said, I've just got to do something else. And I had been a friend of Brendan Kelly's and working with Brendan just on a social basis on some ideas for lacrosse teams and things of that nature. And we really hit it off, and I came on board as a consultant. And I kind of consider my relationship, even in the day-to-day process, as a consultant. I'm there to try to listen and to watch and to help him see opportunities and to see situations that really can help grow the sport and grow the business. So here's the coolest thing about it is when we went into this, we really felt that we were, location-centric. And what we've come to realize is the park, Chesapeake Park, the concept of a youth fields, a stadium, a right-sized stadium, indoor arena, retail to support that, hotel, works. So Chesapeake Park as a concept works. Whether it's in Crownsville or whether it's elsewhere in the state or even in another state, it's a business that needs to happen. So that's really the pitch is that we've got something that really works. Who wants to come on board and be our partner? Because we really need a municipality or a county along with the state to make it all come together. Because it can't be just a private entity. Our concept creates 575 jobs on an ongoing annual basis. And, the investment would be significant, so there's a tremendous amount of economic impact. Our aspects are going to range between $40 and $50 million of economic impact each year, averaging about $45 plus million on an annual basis. That's a lot of money. And that's money that's being spent in other jurisdictions, New Jersey, Virginia, and other places that we're not taking advantage of. So those are things that can help and pay bills and make things better if you have the foresight and vision to anticipate it and to seed it.